Hello, welcome to the online class of Dighinala Govt High School. I am welcoming you. I am Faruque Hossain, assistant teacher of English of this school, and I am here to talk about using connectors before you. Previously, I took a class of this topic, and there I discussed about some connectors. I tried to make you understand the simple meaning or simple uses of connectors. Today, I'll also do some more examples before you. So let's start. Okay, we can start with this another example, that is as a result. As a result is another good example of connector. So when we use as a result, so as a result means following. Okay, when we use as a result, we use as a result at the end of a sentence or of a speech, and normally we use this as a result at the very beginning of a sentence, but I have mentioned that at the end of a sentence means at the end of an expression. Now, for your better understanding, I am giving you two examples, and in these examples you will be able to understand. Just see. If I write Bangladesh is an overpopulated country. So this is a complete sentence, and if we want to use as a result in this topic or in this expression, I have to write another sentence with the gap in the very beginning of that sentence. Dash many educated you face unemployment problem. So just see here, Bangladesh is an overpopulated country. Bangladesh জনবহুল দেশ অনেক শিক্ষিত যুবক বেকারত্ব যে সমস্যাটা সেটা ফেস করে। তাহলে অনেক শিক্ষিত যুবক কেন, দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন কামস, অনেক শিক্ষিত যুবক কেন বেকারত্ব সমস্যা মোকাবেলা করতেছে? সো the reason is that Bangladesh is an overpopulated country. So we can easily use as a result here. As a result here. Okay. There is another similar connector of this as a result, that is consequently. So you can use consequently in the place of as a result. So you can write here consequently. Okay, so now come to the next connector, that is for this reason or this is why. Actually, these two connectors have the similar meaning, and these two connectors also have the similar likely meaning of as a result. Okay, suppose for this reason means এই কারণে, this is why, এই কারণে. Okay, now if I want to give an example with this connector, just see. he studies lace dash he has failed. That means he studies lace. সে কম পড়াশোনা করে dash he has failed. সে ফেল করেছে. That means just why has he failed? সে কেন ফেল করেছে? He studies lace. So you can use here this is why or for this reason. Or for this reason. So you can use for this reason here. Now come to the next connector. Who is another known connector we use generally, and you know who is the connector that connects two parts of a sentence, and normally in interrogation who means K, but when it comes to connector then it means J ba jara. Now see the example. If you see the example you can easily understand. Now see the sentence. I know the boy dash stood first in the exam. And especially you have to know one thing, that is who stands for a person and who stands for a thing or for a thing that is not a person and some abstract noun. That means which is used for material noun or abstract noun. Okay, but who is used for a person? So you can see here আমি ছেলেটিকে চিনি dash পরীক্ষায় ফার্স্ট হয়েছিল. That means if we translate it into Bengali আমি ছেলেটিকে চিনি যে পরীক্ষায় ফার্স্ট হয়েছিল. That means J means who. Here who is used for the boy. Okay, now come to the next connector, that is which means in Bengali which means jeti, and you know which stands for a thing or a abstract noun or a material noun that is not a person, or that can be an animal but not man or people. See the example. I saw a bird dash was flying in the sky. I saw a bird dash was flying in the sky. Here one connector that will stand for a bird. Bird is not a person. Okay, so this bird will stand for which. So we can use here which. I saw a bird which was flying in the sky. And in today's class I'll give you another example, another good example of connectors, and in my next class I will give you or I will discuss more connectors. I have to say you that you have to learn these topics on online class slowly, step by step, and I hope that you will get maximum benefit. But if I discuss it at words, or then it will be more difficult to you to understand. So just learn step by step or slowly. So next one. So is very much used in the incomplete passage where you can use it as a connector, and you know so is versely used, and this so is placed in the end of your incomplete passage. Suppose we do a lot of things, and after doing this lot of things we will use this so. and so is linked to as a result or for this reason. But normally we use so in the very end of the passage. And for your better understanding, so is used in the end, and before that just I have to write one or two sentences, and after that then if I give you the example of this so, then it will be more comfortable to you. Now see, the man is honest. He completes his work timely. Dash, everyone respects him. Here you can see a small paragraph here, or a small passage here. There are three sentences. The man is honest, লোকটি সৎ, he completes his work timely, সে তার কাজ ঠিক সময়ে করে, dash everyone respects him, dash প্রত্যেকে তাকে সম্মান করে. So means তাই. So if I use so here, so it should be or it will be so everyone respects him, তাই প্রত্যেকে তাকে সম্মান করে. So is very suitable here. Okay. So this is the 5 uses of connectors in today's class. This is a small class, and I hope my expectation is about you that if you learn through this small class, you will learn much and you will take it easily. So at home you have to practice. Just take the practice sheet and take some practice book. So by using this, or by taking some more connectors from your practice book, just practice at home. I think you will overcome it. And in this pandemic situation, just keep careful, keep clean, and I think you will prosper. So thank you all.